Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to delete your Facebook account. So for that, first of all, open the Facebook application and get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. From there you need to scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Once you're at the Setting and Privacy section, you need to tap on Personal and Account Information. There, at the end of the option, you will see Account Ownership and Control. You tap that. Inside Account Ownership and Control, you need to tap Deactivation and Deletion. Tap that. There's two ways how you can delete Facebook, that is either deactivating or deleting. Deactivating is temporary and you can easily get logged in. Delete is to delete your account permanently. You tap on delete account and then tap on continue to account deletion. Before you delete, you need to provide a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. I'm just gonna tap on a certain one and then you need to tap on continue to account deletion. Now here are a few details and the information that you need to know before you delete your account. You go through each and every information that is available in here and tap on delete account at the end of the screen. For the confirmation of your account deletion, you need to provide the password over here. Once you type in the password, you can tap on continue and the account deletion process will be completed and the Facebook account of yours will be permanently deleted. As this is just a tutorial video, I won't be clicking on the continue button. So this is the end for how you can delete the Facebook account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.